Back to School Mastermind to reduce stress, get organized, achieve success, and gain peace of mind. Are you tired of being stressed every school year? Would your child benefit from being more organized? Would you benefit from being more organized? Are you looking for tips to succeed in school? I'm an award winning professional life organizer, author, and certified life coach. My proven coaching and training can get you where you need to be quickly. My back to school mastermind includes a 4+ hour school success class in MP3 format broken down into manageable lessons, 40 days of private Facebook support, and my favorite, 2 90-minute group coaching sessions. The mastermind begins September 10th and runs through October 19th. If you've been saying, I'm going to get organized, I'm going to clear my clutter for the school year, and it doesn't happen, now's the time to take action to get it done. Find out more information in the link below or at reawakenyourbrilliance.com. If you are ready to finally make changes to create the life you desire, I hope you'll join us.